First comes love, then comes marriage, then comes Richie in the baby carriage. Unless he dies with you.
I don't know what you're talking about!
Your son! Don't you recognize your little boy? The seed of your stinking loins and his filthy friends bring me my death. Or is it birth? I get confused. Tomorrow, yesterday, it's all the same for little Pennywise. It's not always easy, you know, being caged up in one place, one time. They can't fence me in. Not them, and not you. Beep, beep, Margie.